The best time to start marketing in manufacturing is now. That is likely one of the best tips we'll get about starting anything. I will be having Tim Wilburn on my Show Up with GailNow live show. And one of the things he suggests is to just start making videos. And I would say the same applies in just about everything when it comes to marketing in manufacturing. I often say this, the bar is set pretty low in the area of manufacturing right now when it comes to getting out on social media, to getting your brand noticed, to telling your story. You just have to start. My process is sign up, suit up, and show up. So signing up is key. You have to first decide, that you want success, that you want to make connections online. In manufacturing, you're already usually doing it at trade shows, knocking on doors, doing those cold calls, getting those emails sent out. And why am I telling you this story on my bike as I'm out on a trail? Well, it's because if you want to start now, one of the things you can do is combine some activities you're already doing. Right now, I'm listening to a podcast that's talking about YouTube because I'm preparing for my show with Tim. So you can multitask and still enjoy, get in a bit of exercise. And again, the best time to start? Now.